Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Crystal Kids, and I have not been here for a long time. I'm glad that I'm here again. This video was posted about 4 months ago, which was not recent, so this is a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to do gem excavation like I did in the other video. This one is smaller. You could get these from Costco, and it comes with a brush, a chisel, and a block. And I got a bowl right here. I'm just going to pour this in water in case it's too hard to chip out. So let's get started. So I have my chisel, my brush, and my block. So first I'm just going to do this with the chisel. And apparently this did not come with a hammer thing that I could just do that. So this is going to be a little bit harder. Since this might be harder, I'm probably going to have to fill this bowl with water to get it out easier. Okay, this is kind of hard, so I'm going to fill this up with water. So here we have our bowl filled with warm water. I'm just going to sit this in here and let it dissolve. I'm going to show you guys up closely. Here's it up closely. You can see the bubbles going up to the top. So we're just going to let it sit in the water for a few more minutes, and I'll see you guys back then. So it's been a few minutes. Now it's time to take it out the water. And now it looks darker, so I'm going to chip away. This is way easier to chip away now since I soaked it in water, and it's going to make the block softer. This water is also useful to clean your utensils. I'm going to let it soak in some water a little bit more. And I see the gemstone. Let me show you guys up closely. So you guys could probably see the gemstone right there. I don't know how many there's going to be, but this looks like amethyst. I'm going to chip this area a little bit more and see if I can get it out. Alright, I think there's amethyst right there. I'm going to chip it a little bit more. Hopefully I get it out soon. Oh, I got it out now. And this is amethyst. I don't know how many crystals there's going to be, but this is my first crystal. So I'm going to dissolve it in water a little bit more so I can get other crystals out. There's more. And I just broke it in half. I think that's the only crystal. I'm not sure. It didn't come with enough detail. But a block this small should be only one crystal. Yeah, there's no crystals in here. Let me check this other part. Okay, I'm going to try to hit this block hard to break it in half. Hopefully I don't trip a crystal. This kind of looks like wet cement. It probably is. But I don't think cement breaks this easily. See that hole right there? And I just broke it in half. Yeah, I believe that's the only crystal. Nothing else in here. Well, after I'm done cleaning up, I'll show this to you up closely. And here goes the beautiful piece of amethyst that I mined out of the dirt block. It's very shiny. So I know this video was pretty short. I wish it was a little bit longer, but this is the amethyst that I found. I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, comment any questions you like. I'm going to post another video soon, so stay tuned.